Are you planning to travel far anytime soon, but nervous about those long hours for those cramped seat and wondering like what to pack so that your trip don't get miserable? And so these are the 12 essentials I have found which make them your journey smoother and stress free. So let's begin with the essentials. You should keep these essentials during your journey. So I will divide these essentials according to categories. Like in the first one is like comfort essentials. I will divide further the comfort essential. The second essential is like tech and utility. These are the essentials which is related to the tech. And the third one is hygiene and freshness, which is related to health. Now let's start with the comfort essentials. Guys, in this essential, all these things are related to your comfort. Like what comfort you get on the long hour flight. Now let's begin with the first one is like first essential. I will in this category I will mention like 4 to 5 essentials which are gives you comfort as much as you can on the flight, long hour flight. And now the first essential is neck pillow, guys. You should carry a neck pillow during your long hour flight. You can't get feel not comfortable and uncomfortable during your long hour flight, and it will also gives you a much smooth journey. Now the second one is in this category is guys, socks. Guys, whenever you are on a flight, you should one carry a socks. It will also reduce your swelling. You doesn't feel like bad, and you should your skin sometimes is rashes. Like socks brings you, it will gives you benefit of this, and it also reduces your swelling, and it sometime when you are on a flight, lot of smell coming through your legs. It will also reduces your smell. Now the third one is earphone and headphones, guide earplug and headphones. When you are on a flight, guys, you can carry a headphone and earplugs so that you can enjoy without any kind of distraction, without any hassle. And when you are on a plane, someone is crying, or someone is something doing anything, then you can just plug or earphone or headphone, anything you can plug on your head, and so that you can enjoy your whatever things you are doing on the flight. You can watching anything, music or podcast or movies, you can enjoy freely. Now the third one is you can carry blanket and scarves. uh, in this category, sometimes on the flight AC always get on, and sometimes on your home the AC get off. You have your own freedom. You have to if you want on your AC, then you can on. If you want to off your AC, you can off. Then this doesn't have happening on the flight. You have no control. You should off your AC, flight AC or not. You can carry blanket. You can off the AC. This doesn't happen in the flight. Then you can take blanket and your make your journey smoother. Now the fourth one is eye mask, guys. Always bring a eye mask to the plane, because on the plane lights are always on, and so that your sometimes your eye get disturbed because of the light. You can always put a mask on your eyes, and you can make journey smoother by putting. So guys, these are the comfort category I have mentioned. I have listed down 4 to 5 things so that you don't feel miserable during your flight time, and you don't get rushed, and you can enjoy your journey much smoother. Now we are moving to the second category, which is tech and utility, guys. In this category, I will talk about the gadgets. Like what are the gadgets you can carry, or you can carry on your flight during the long trip. I will mention 4 to 5. Gadgets you can carry on the longer flight, and you can also make your journey smoother. Now the first one is power bank, guys. You can always bring a power bank during the flight, but there is some guys hacks there is a limited amount of capacity you can bring on the flight during the flight. I think the limitation category is 40,000, I mean up to 40,000 ml you can carry. Above 40,000 ml you can't carry, guys. I've heard. Please let me correct if I'm wrong. Now these are the also like help you. Suppose if your phone has become dead, these can gives you instantly energy to the phone, and your phone will become automatically charged through this power bank. So these are the like first one, power bank. Now the second one is like noise cancellation devices. Yes, you can carry noise cancellation devices when you are on a long trip, because you don't know who is on your next, who is sitting on your next, who is sitting in your front, and who is making lot of noise during your flight. Like someone baby is crying, someone is talking too much, and you can't make them like you can't take, and you can't like do like this. Then to avoid this situation, you should carry like a noise cancellation headphone and avoid all the rushes on during the flight, and you can enjoy freely. So now the third one is like you should download songs and music before leaving your home. Guys, when you are on a guys long trip, you can download songs or whatever you like. Like you can like podcast, or you will like movies, or whatever videos you can like on YouTube. You can download before leaving your home, uh, and you can download also music if you like. And these also like these things kind like neutralize your time and also make your journey much smoother and better during these longer flight. So these always remember, guys, these you can download all these things before leaving your home. Now the fourth one is like take a multi USB cable, because when you are on a long trip you have a lot of gadgets. Like you have a like you have a power bank, you have a like headphone, you have a neckband, or you have like a mic, whatever things, camera. You can always carry a multi USB, multiple cable, or multi USB cable, because these have a multiple feature. These have a multiple plug, and they can charge your all devices one at a time. You can just plug your one cable through the like adapter, and this will gives all, and this will charge all your device one at a time, and you don't need to charge separately. And so you can save your time, and you can save your like efforts. So these are the like tech and the utility, guys, essentials. You can also bring this during a longer flight. So now the like third category, which is hygiene and freshness. Guys, in this category I will mention like 3 to 4 things. So we are moving to the toiletry kit. Now the first one is like why it matter. Before starting, why it matter, because the plain toilet are too small, and you may not want to go often there. And so that's why which this is help you a lot. And now let's start. What are those essentials? Like you can carry toothpaste or toothbrush. These essential will give you instant like a freshness on your mouth. And the second one is like body wipes or face wipes. You can also like remove like a face oil, or like face like dullness, face dust through like face wipes or body wipes. This helps you a lot also. Now the third one is like lip balm. Like when you are a flight, the plane like air is very dry, and sometimes your lip get like dehydrated and breaks. Then that's why lip balm is very important. You can like put your lip balm, and your lips become like safe. And the fourth one is like a deodorant. You can carry a deodorant, you can smell good, and you can also become more confident after you smell good. So guys, these are the like mini toilet kit. Now we are moving to the second one, is like now the second essential is like face mist or moisturizer. Guys, as we know, plain cabin air has a low humidity, which makes our skin dry, and so a mist or moisturizer which can like instantly refresh our skin, and which gives more energy to our skin, so that we feel more confident. And I will list down the like the mentioned the essentials. Like the first one is, guys, so like in this like essentials we can carry like aloe vera gel, or we can carry like any cream like sunscreen, any cream like we can carry sunscreen like Nivea Man, we can carry like we can carry Lakme cream, we can carry like Beardo cream for men, or whatever cream which gives like and makes our skin smooth. We can carry. This will also gives you more energy to our face. Second one is like moisturizer, face moisturizer. It will gives you a fresh like refreshment energy to your face, and it will also makes you refreshed during your entire flight and during your entire vacations whenever you are going. So now the bonus tip is like it will gives you a refreshment, and it will gives you instant energy, and it will keep you refreshed during your entire time, so that you never feel get dull or low energy. Now the third essential is like sanitizer and tissues. Guys, aeroplane are full of germs. Whenever you see like when you see your, whether your seat belts, whether your touch screen, whether your like cuff the hostage is serving, whether like in the bathroom, whenever you see like all full of germs, because in the plane hundreds of passengers are always coming to and going. You don't know who has a like clean hand, so that's why here sanitizer play an important role. You can carry sanitizer, and you can just put your sanitizer on the hand. You can also just kill your germs. And now come to the like tissues. You can also carry like tissues. It will also helps you sneezing your nose, and it will also like gives washing your. You can also wash your hand through the tissues. You can also use in the toilet your tissues. You don't know the toilet shop is good or bad. You can also carry tissues during your flight. So that's it. These are the essentials in the hygiene and freshness category. So guys, yeah, follow these essentials and bring these essentials, and you will feel and more confident after you your and during your flight and after your flight. You don't need to travel right now, but whenever you are travel, guys, these essential will help you a lot. And let me know in the comment section, guys, which is your favorite essentials. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.